Hello, the very latest electronic toothbrushes such as the Oral-B Pro 6000 have more than just teeth cleaning capabilities. They even have Bluetooth connectivity nowadays, and this allows brushes like the Oral-B Pro 6000 and other Smart Series brushes from Oral-B to communicate with your mobile device, be that an Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. It can transfer data over a short range between the two items. That data includes your cleaning history, your cleaning modes, how well you've cleaned, and it will also allow you to improve your oral health care routine. So what is Bluetooth connectivity in relation to these brushes and how does it work? Continue watching to find out. So let's show you Bluetooth connectivity in action. So what we've got here is an Oral-B Pro 6000 Smart Series electric toothbrush which has Bluetooth connectivity, one of several in the range from Oral-B. And then we have an Android smartphone which we've downloaded the Oral-B app onto. The Oral-B app is compatible with Android and iOS, so you can download it onto your smartphone. We've also previously paired the electric toothbrush with this phone. So if we click into the Oral-B app, you need the app open really to take full advantage of the connectivity that you have here on the brush. However, the electric toothbrush itself will store some of the data that it picks up for up to 20 cleans. So if you don't have your phone and app to hand, it doesn't matter, it will be stored on here. And it's a more reliable connection option is Bluetooth than sound connectivity, which is another option for connecting to an app with your electric toothbrush from Oral-B. It transfers more data and more can be stored on the toothbrush as well, which is quite powerful if you really want to get the best from your oral health care routine. So we're going to power on this brush and hopefully what you'll see is the timer come up on screen showing you how long we've been brushing for. So if you see, instantly the timer has come up. It's counting down for us, so we've got that functionality right there. If I press the cleaning mode button, you should see that daily clean mode will change to one of the different cleaning modes. If I use too much pressure, it shows that on screen as well. If I stop the brush, it can see that we've actually stopped because the brush is now communicating that information as identified by these icons here. If I start it up again, the brushing cycle continues, keeps the timer counting down, and you can see how we've got this on-screen representation of where we should be actually cleaning in mouth, and I can still clean, change the cleaning modes like so. So I'm going to stop that because you've probably got the idea of how that works. And I'm going to show you how this goes a little bit further with Bluetooth connectivity. So if I click done, finish the clean, and I can go into my achievements and I can see information on my brushing history that you'll only get from the brush communicating certain information back here. So it can show that I've been brushing for 8 days consistently. I was flossing for 3 days. If I go to activity, so it's bringing up information about the clean that we've just completed in this demonstration. So the goal was for 2 minutes. It's worked out an average session time based on my previous history. I've got 4 seconds of applying too much pressure, and floss, clean tongue and rinse hasn't been completed because we haven't actually done that. But then I can go into my week and I can see how many days I've been brushing for and for how long, and go back to the month, and you can see here that it's filled in spaces on the calendar for where I have and haven't brushed. Now this isn't my everyday brush, so it explains some of the inconsistencies here, but I've tried to fill it out for you over the last month to explain how this works, and this information is all communicated from the toothbrush. So I could brush my teeth for the next week and not have any interaction with this app, but when I come back it will transfer this data to the app via Bluetooth, and I've got this log here and I can look at how I can improve. So it's giving me a little bit more information, total brushing sessions, how many of those had too much pressure. So it's quite helpful in getting a better oral healthcare routine. Now, if you'd not paired your toothbrush for a while, basically you can sync the information by pressing the down button or the cleaning mode button on the front of the brush, and it communicates with the electric toothbrush to transfer that data. It takes a few seconds to do that, and of course you need Bluetooth on the brush, but it'll fill in any of the gaps of your history where it may not have been complete because you haven't had that pairing in place. So it's a wireless communication standard and only works with brushes that have Bluetooth connectivity built in and on Android or iOS devices where you've downloaded the Oral-B app. So for more information, be sure to head over to electricteeth.co.uk or click the link in the video description. If you've got any comments, you can also leave them below this video as well. Thanks for watching.